What's going on, guys? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz here, and in today's video we're going to be doing a tailgate dampener for my 02 Chevy Silverado. I don't know if you guys have been watching for a while. I did one on my Ford Ranger, my 19 Ford Ranger, a while back, and I want this thing to have the same type of dampener. So I actually went to eBay and picked up just a cheap kit off of there, and we're gonna install this today. So let's get to it. So we have our kit. We have our kit here. Let's open it up. So we have the strut and the mounting hardware, and then we have, I believe, a little bit of oil to put on the bolts, I would imagine. And we have a clear strip of like a clear strip of like a protectant film for this too. So in the instructions it says you only need a 13mm socket, so that's what we have with a wrench here. So let's start getting everything apart here. So this will be mounted on the driver's side of the vehicle. It's very important that you do, because you will have issues if you put it on the passenger side. I've seen tailgates fall off because of it on the side that you put it on. So you definitely want to put the the tailgate dampener on the driver's side. So we're just going to loosen up this bolt here, or this bolt here with the, take this off here real quick. There we go. So we're going to take this bolt off here real quick for the tailgate cable. Alright, now we got that out. Next, we're going to want to take the bolt out on the side hinge on the tailgate. Alright, so now that's out. Alright, next we're going to put the shock mount plate onto the tailgate. So it just goes right into that insert there, just like so. Alrighty, now I got the shock plate mount on. Alrighty, next we install our stud with a washer, the big washer in there. Alright, now next we put our strap back on. Alright, next we have our clear decal, which is going to go right here. It's like a protective decal. I'm just going to put mine on. You can see my tailgate's pretty rusted up, so who knows how long this will last. I don't know. But if you have a cleaner truck than mine, it'll probably work a lot better. And that's really not going to help much for my truck. But like I said, if you guys got a way cleaner truck than I do, I would put this on for sure. So next we're going to take our strut, which I have here. There's two ends to it. There's the one that's kind of turned off to the left there, and then there's this side that just goes straight down. The part that's straight down, you're going to want to just put right there. And they provide you with a washer and nut. Now that's just loose for right now. So now you're going to line up that top mount, and you put another washer on there. And then your nut. You just tighten that up. go. I'm gonna tighten up the bottom real quick. There we go. So bottom's tight, top's tight. Let's see if this thing actually works. All right. So I closed it. Look at that. I like that. Perfect. My tailgate's a little stiff, guys. It's old. But there we go. So it seems to be clearing somewhat. Yeah. There we go. I think you just gotta work it in a little bit. So I did have to grind a little bit off the head on that one because it was really close to the body, just underneath that tail lamp. So I did end up grinding that down a little bit just to get some clearance, and it clears now. So like I said, it's not perfect. I think I bought it for like $9 off eBay, but it does what I want it to do. So that works for $9. I'm happy. A little modification, a little janky. I mean, you can spend a little bit more money and probably get a DZ one. I'm sure that you won't have any issues with those, but that's gonna be it, guys. So pretty much that's it. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely check out the rest of the channel. We got some more videos on this truck coming. So definitely check those out. Definitely subscribe to the channel too. Give this video a like if it helped you out. And you guys have a good day or night or whatever you're having. Thanks, guys. Bye.